Hi everyone, and thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman with Peterman Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing, and today I'm going to tell you how food coloring can save you money when it comes to your plumbing system. Did you know that the average American uses around 100 gallons of water a day? That is a lot of water, and if you pay a water bill each month, I would imagine that you're wondering how you can keep some of that money from going down your drain. 30% of the water used throughout your home is used by your toilet. And if your toilet has a small leak, it could even be more. If you have a leaky toilet, you could be wasting up to 200 gallons a day. If you're keeping track, that is double the amount the average American uses. The problem with a leaky toilet is that it is very hard to detect the leak, even if it's very, very bad. There is generally no dripping sound and the water doesn't collect where it shouldn't. So, how do you ever tell if the toilet is leaking? That's where the food coloring comes in. Sometime during the day when the toilet will be unused for several hours, maybe before you go to work or before you go to bed, put a few drops of food coloring into your toilet's tank. When you come back, check the bowl. If the water is clear, you're good to go. If the water in the bowl has dye in it, then you probably have a leak. There are a few things that could cause a leak, and they're relatively inexpensive to get fixed. If you're not sure what you need or don't want to mess with the toilet, feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to help, and hopefully save you a little bit of money along with some water. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day.